Atasi Barua was born on September 4, 1921 in West Bengal, died June 26, 2016. She was one of the prominent Indian women painters of the 20th century. Her work has been exhibited in places like Colombo, Tehran, Cairo, Bangkok, and Tokyo, apart from India, Nepal, and Sri Lanka. Her paintings usually contain classical themes while her techniques also show a mix of realism. There are a lot of references to Buddhism that can be found in her art. She was the great-grandniece of Rabindranath Tagore, who in fact named her. She was born at Shantiniketan. She studied at Martiniere College in Lucknow. Her paintings revolve around portraying the life of Buddha, the cave paintings of Ajanta, and many other themes. She and her husband traveled a lot and attended many conferences in South Asia. She also made portraits of many well-known personalities and scholars that she met, and also got them signed. Some of them are Jamini Roy, Nandalal Bose, R Ambedkar, Chi Minh, C Gangooly, Nabanita, and Kalidas. The majority of her artwork were line drawings. Drawing inspiration from Lord Buddha's life, she chronicled his life in 12 paintings after she was requested to do so by the Mahabodhi Society, who then published them in a pictorial book. She was also commissioned by the Digambar Jain Temple to do a series of paintings on the 23rd Tirthankara, Parshvanatha.